I hope they see some sides which are still not shown in a reality show. Luckily, this time I won't have any love angle in the show.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. Welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashika Sahani, and today I'm pretty pleased to be chatting with the queen of all reality shows, Divya Agarwal, who's all set to impress us all once again in Big Boss OTT. Hi, Divya. How have you been?
Hi, Rashita. I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Just we are also as excited as you guys to see you all inside the house.
Thank you so much. You can see the excitement on my face.
I
Like,
know.
I can't stop smiling.
I
My,
can.
my cheeks hurt.
I can. But Divya, tell me, this is a very unique concept. We are also, witnessing it for the very first time. And Big Boss is such a big show. But what was that one thing that, made you the most excited about being a part of Big Boss OTT?
So, Big Boss OTT is happening on Voot, and I've been very closely associated with Voot, and it's
Hmm.
like coming back to the family. I've worked for Voot. I've worked for Voot Night Live, a parallel show that I was hosting for season 13. So,
Yeah.
I was very happy that Big Boss is now on Voot, and now that means it's on OTT. And as the name suggests, it's going to be over the top. And Divya Agarwal is always and always named as somebody who's always over the top.
Yeah.
And this time, luckily, I'll get to prove people that yes, I am over the top in my life in general, and nothing can stop me. And that's it. And this inspired me to be a part of the show this time.
That's great. And Divya, with your name comes this title that I just mentioned. You're called the queen of reality shows, and we have seen you perform very well in whatever shows you have been a part of. But you tell me, does that also bring along any sort of pressure on your shoulders?
It's not a pressure, honestly. I
Okay.
The entire strategy would be going in all by myself and being myself. And the only thing that makes me think is that the other contestants must have seen me in the previous reality shows. They must be knowing me in and out, and not as much as I know them. So it's going to be a difficult task to know them just as I
Yeah.
enter the house, and get to know and get to learn a lot about their characteristics. And it's going to be fun. I hope they see some sides which are still not shown in a reality show. Luckily, this time I won't have any love angle in the show. So this is going to
Yeah.
be fun.
That's fantastic. And, the host also plays a big part in reality shows, especially Big Boss. So this time we have for OTT Karan Johar, and we have seen him host with so much zeal, so much enthusiasm. I mean, he puts so much charm and, quirkiness in whatever he does. So how excited are you to be hosted by him?
I am pretty excited. There's a very interesting story with Karan Johar that I want to
Oh, okay.
share as soon as I see him. And the story is, it goes way back, like 10 years ago. And
Okay.
when I was struggling, I was the background artist for Student of the Year 2011. And I've seen
Oh,
Alia and Varun Dhawan and Siddharth Malhotra, thinking that, oh my God, these guys are going to be big, after this launch. And I used to only dream of standing next to Karan Johar and uh, wishing that he knows me personally. I've seen him from far off, but now it's the time after 10 years, slow and steady, but it's
well,
going to be
yeah.
amazing. He's going to spend so much time with us. So I think it's a great opportunity, and it's a journey in itself.
That's great. Life has indeed its own plans.
Correct.
Excellent. Okay. So, as you mentioned about the so-called love angles that happen in every season, and, people talk about it so much. We have all seen it. What is your point of view on these angles? Some say it's for TRP, some say it's genuine, but who really knows?
It depends on person to person and their, bond.
Yeah.
Usually, it happens when you're not really real in the house, when you're not yourself and you're not honest about a few things. The relationship changes once you're out of the house, because then the outside world really affects, and then that jeopardizes your relation with that person, which is just formed in the house. And that relation would be always doubtful, because you are wearing something on you that hides the real you, probably, or probably your things back at your family, things back with your friends, your group, your circle. So there can be many such issues when the couple is actually coming out of a show together. But luckily, when it happened to me for the second time in a reality show, it happened with my own best friend whom I knew in and out. So we were 100% sure that, even after the show or even after anything in life, we are going to stick together. And that promise has been made. And luckily, we've been serving lots and lots of love. So this time, maybe you'll see the love guru inside the house who'll give so much gyan about love.
Yeah, that's great. And we really adore Varun and you, both of you, as a couple, as best friends, whatever you said.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. And Divya, whenever someone enters, there is this question: "Ki aapki kya strategy hai?" I know a lot of people do not, as you just mentioned, you'll be real. But even then, do you have any sort of strategy?
It's, you can't call it a strategy. You can just call it like learning. I'll be learning
Okay.
a lot of things. I'll be learning, analyzing a lot of personalities. Obviously, we've been put together in a show. I'm 100% sure the makers
Yeah.
must have thought something that, ये बैच को साथ में डाल के देखते हैं क्या मसाला
हाँ.
बनता है. तो वो मसाला देखने के लिए उसको मैं स्टडी करने वाली हूँ अच्छी तरह. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna react the way I react in my real life, so that, I have been maintaining relationships in my personal life who are not at all from the industry, who don't belong
Okay.
and have no connection to the industry. They don't even care what is happening in the industry. I have friends from those circles, and my inner circle is always been with my childhood friends. So I am true to the core, and if something goes wrong in the show, if my reactions are coming off as fake or probably made up, my friends would know, and I wouldn't want to let them down. They have put so much love and trust, and they're so proud of me. I don't want to let them down. So whenever something happens, the new people, the new fans and viewers, they like it or not, but at least the real people with whom I live, at least they know that I'm real.
Oh, that's so sweet. Great. And Divya, we also saw you for a bit in one episode in Big Boss 11. And after that, fans were like, we need Divya inside the house, full-fledged season. We want to see her. And of course, it's finally happening now. But does this reality show, Big Boss, bring back any memories or good, bad, anything?
So you guys would be happy to know that we've made amends. Everything is all nice and cordial
Okay,
between me and Priyank, and
that's great.
we still consider ourselves as one of those friends whom, are different and cannot be put together, because we both are very much the personalities are very much alpha, and
Yeah.
just the bonding wasn't right. But if we would have been friends, it would have been a really good friendship people would have seen. But nevertheless, it's never too late, and we were kids, it was new for us, it was
Yeah.
quite overwhelming for us. We didn't know how to tackle the media or the trolls, and we've realized that it's an old story. And I hope that he supports me, because he owes me this one if he's hearing it.
Ah.
So yeah, I
Definitely.
hope. I hope.
Okay, that's fantastic to hear, actually. Great. Okay. And what about the previous seasons? I'm sure you have watched some of it. Is there any, favorite contestant abhi tak jitne bhi seasons hai usme se?
I think I've closely watched this season, season 13, and I
Yeah.
was Khabri Divya on Boot Night Live again. And
Yeah.
I really watched them closely, in the camera gullies, and we used to watch how they are and what they are. So I really loved Siddharth Shukla and Rashmi Desai's game, because they both, Rashmi Desai, I know her personally. So as I said that I don't want to put my friends down, she didn't let that happen. She was real, and
Yeah.
whatever was happening inside her was all coming off very, very natural and very real. And that's what we appreciate about her in our entire friend circle. And Siddharth Shukla, yes, I don't know him, I've never met him, but by the look of it, he was quite raw
Yeah.
and quite
Agree.
unfiltered, which I was very commendable on it. Like, that takes guts and that takes courage. So I think I'm gonna learn a lot from him, and then, plan accordingly.
That's great. And, often it's also said that low Big Boss, people go to Big Boss when they want to relaunch or restart their careers. But in your case, you have been having a great career. In fact, I think you have had so many shows, so much love from fans and everywhere. I think you have gained a lot of popularity already. So what is, the reason or the motive behind entering Big Boss at this stage of your career?
So talking about career, today itself, my new song is launching, and it's a beautiful
Yeah.
Punjabi track. And Punjab is so close to my heart. I'm a Sikhni, and I would, love people's reaction on this song. And it's about long distance relationship, quite relatable to the
Oh,
situation
yeah, very relatable.
right now. So I'm listening to that. My own song 3-4 बार मैंने सुन लिया है एकदम.
अरे वाह.
मास्टर नहीं हुआ है वो वाला पुराना रफ स्क्रैच सुन रही हूँ मैं, बट इट इज मेकिंग सेंस टू मी. एंड I have my web series coming on the 20th of August. That is Cartel. That is one of my
Yeah.
biggest shot. And I am hell bent 100% sure that that is going to change my acting career. It's going to take new steps. And I'm pretty excited for this. So I just wanted to change that perception of, Big Boss as a backup plan. You know,
Yeah, correct.
I kind of don't agree with that backup plan. I feel I would have an added advantage. People would not just say that हाँ क्योंकि कुछ काम नहीं था तो इसलिए आ गई है. I don't want to hear that. दिव्या के पास काम आए ना आए, दिव्या खुद काम बना के कुछ ना कुछ जरूर कर लेगी लाइफ में. So that is my way of taking my life. And 12 years of struggle has taught me one thing, that you have to just keep doing it. You don't have
Yeah.
to plan things के हाँ बैकअप प्लान. मेरा कोई बैकअप प्लान नहीं है रशिता इन लाइफ. एंड I believe whatever I put my hand into, I will give my 100%, and it's gonna show colors, and it is gonna come out in a very beautiful way. And that's what I want to tell my audience and tell people, that ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर तुम कुछ फेल होते हो तो ये ऑप्शन है
हाँ.
तुम्हारे पास तो ये कर लो. And I'm in a very good mind state right now, career wise, personal life, family. Yes, it was disturbed last year, but that is the fear that I want to overcome there. That
Okay.
really, when I'm alone, really when I have nobody that I know, how am I going to do that? And that is just that one day when my father's first death anniversary would be there. I would be really, missing my family. So let's see what happens.
I am sure we can all see the determination and the confidence on your face. So I wish you all the very best for Big Boss OTT. Hoping to see you win it and go to Big Boss 15, and hoping to see you there as well in the finale.
मैं तो बोल के जा रही हूँ भाई, अगले साल मैंने नहीं बोला है कि मैं 6 में मिलूंगी.
अरे वाह. Nice, nice. Okay, thank you so much, Divya, for chatting with me. All the very best.
Thank you, Rashida.